Hello YouTube, so today we made another purchase at Footlocker. So here's the purchase. Purchased a maroon tee. Champs branded. This was $10, size large, it should fit me. So this is a good deal. I can wear it on a summer day. Very good quality. Size large. So this is the first purchase. The main event here is this one here. It's a Jordan mid because I couldn't win the raffle for the Dior Jordan 1. I bought something of the similar color. You see this resemblance? So without further explanation, a lot of shadows here, but yeah. So this is a mid. This is for $150 with tax. It came to about $170. For those who couldn't cop the Dior, this is the shoe to buy. Even though it's a mid, people don't like the mids. They like the OG highs. This is not bad. This is a not bad shoe. Here's the other side. Okay. Bad location to shoot, but here it is. That's all it is. So thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe, and leave some comments on below. Thanks and have a good night.